What's up? What's good, y'all, man? Y'all know who back again, bro. I told y'all I'ma keep bringing y'all bangers after bangers, gang. We got the Scatties us right here, you know. Got the little Scatty thing, little scat. We getting both of these boxes out of there, and then we gonna cut this off. Cause you know we don't got no 6'4" body harness. So this is basically a restriction for that deep tone. We got them 5-inch carving tips right there. I ain't gonna lie. I love them 5-inch tips.
Got him.
I had Vikers on the 300. Look at this. Look how big these motherfuckers is, though. Let's go compare it to these. I think these ones like 3.5 or something. I don't know. Look. Oh my goodness. Y'all see how the difference is? This motherfucker beefy. I ain't gonna lie. I'm about to go take a shit. Then we about to try to load it in that truck. So I don't know. Y'all boys know I couldn't leave y'all without no cold start now. Couldn't do no cold start for y'all boys. Hold on, I got y'all. I gotta go to the side because they be heater dumping. Tip 2. Oh shit. Fuck it. Remote start unavailable. I got y'all. Hold on.
You good, Mud?
My camera mount in the house, so I'm about to go grab that for y'all real quick. And then I'm gonna pick up the phone and I'm on the road. We on the road, man. We on the road, man. For y'all, y'all know what I'm on. Gotta make a right here. Slap that motherfucking sport for y'all. I can't down shit. This is my down shit. I can't down shit for y'all, or can I full throttle, man? Cause it's gonna cut out. This motherfucker sound cam, man. I gotta go get an alignment today too. Well, I'm probably gonna go get an alignment another day. But today, just fully on my exhaust, man. automatic. Nah, 6'4". Shit, headers. I'm about to go get my exhaust put on. Yeah, I'm header dumping. Motherfucker loud as hell, y'all. Can't wait for these motherfuckers, though. Alright, y'all. We just pulled back up and shit. Let's see what them boys got done. Oh, yeah. I gotta see. I don't want these bitches in here because the tune that I got a flame tune, so I don't want these in there. You already got these in? Yeah, damn. He did them bitches good as hell. Just gotta flare these out and shit. Cause I ain't getting this welded. This gonna be clamped on. This bitch about to bark. Give me to, what'd you say, MJ? 150 lights. 150 lights, bro. I'll go fully straight pipe. Oh God, I will. He don't want me to. He don't want me to. Oh God, I'll go straight pipe and just be loud as hell with the burgers. Oh God, I will. I'm gonna get my tips put on another day, for real, for real. Probably get my tips put on probably like next week or something like that. It'll be more content for y'all boys. So I wanna just do the mid muffler delete, throw the exhaust down, do the mid muffler delete, and the tips all at once. Nah, we gotta work our way up to that, you feel me? Waiting to see how this motherfucker sound, bro. I'm geeked, I ain't gonna lie. Let's see how this bitch sound. That bitch sound good. That motherfucker sound good. That bitch sound good. I ain't gonna lie. It ain't too loud, but once I cut those back ones off, that bitch gonna get
Get your lame ass up.
Let's all see this shit. That's the only thing I'm irritated about. Give me the 150 lights on 5-inch tips to be in, y'all. Just know these burbles limited now. Oh God, them bitches so limited. I'll be damn, I burned this diffuser up before I throw the 5-inch tips on, y'all.
Holy Jesus.
Not gonna lie, y'all. I had to throw it in sport. This motherfucker barking. Mad I can't go in manual mode. I know that's what y'all want to hear. This motherfucker yanking, check. That's what I'm talking about, y'all. That's why I can't wait to the retune. And And then look, it drive by itself. Then it say service trends. Look at him. Oh, I want to see how that bitch sound in track, y'all. Look both ways before you cross the street. That's what I keep saying, man. This motherfucker keep going out, bro. And then it keep driving for me. Like, what the fuck? Do this one more time, then shit, I'm just gonna have to end vid, bro. Throw that bitch in track. I don't like that. We gotta go get straight pipe, y'all. Give me 250 likes. Yeah, I'm about to end vid, y'all, man. Give me to 150 likes. We'll straight pipe this motherfucker, man. We'll straight pipe this motherfucker. Yup. Like, comment, subscribe, man, so I can go ahead and get these motherfuckers straight pipe. 150 likes. Give me 50 likes. I'll throw in the 5-inch tips, too. So, come on, man. So, 100 likes for the straight pipe. 50 likes. Look at the kids, though. They want to view the video. What's one lane tone, man? Huh? One lane tone.
One lane zone?
Yeah. What up, y'all? What y'all doing, man?
Can we hop in and you can drive us around?
No, my shit fucked up. My shit fucked up right now.
What headset was that? What the
Y'all about to race or something?
Nah, hell no. See, I just left the exhaust shot.
I see.
Hell yeah, I just left this bitch. That's it right there. Man, y'all stay in school, bro. Stay out of trouble. Bet, good looking, my nigga. Hey, y'all know we gotta get some outside POVs real quick. I gotta hear how it sound for y'all, man. I hear a lot of rattling now. I hear a lot of rattling, y'all. I don't know what they can be from, bro. I'll read this bitch for me. I gotta hear this motherfucker, y'all. I gotta hear y'all. It's loud enough. It ain't that loud. Yes. I'm back in the car again. Y'all wondering like, what are you back in the car again? I thought you said the pedals messed up. Yeah, the pedals still messed up, bro, but we gonna make it work, bro. Like, it's good in manual, so hopefully we can be able to get the full tune today. But yeah, bro, he moving the cars right now, so I can pull in the driveway, and after that, it's tune time. I'm off of no sleep, bro. I'm really getting this in for y'all, bro. I got off work and did not go to sleep. I stayed up for this, bro. Like, comment, and subscribe, bro, because I'm going to be so consistent, bro. Like, y'all don't understand how consistent I'm about to be through these next few drops. Once this car is 100% running, I'm back dropping, but I'm done talking y'all ears off.
She wanna know my life story, I just told her that it's dark. I went loyal from the start, baby, I ain't got no heart. I caught him loafing in the whip, I'm about to put that.
Alright, y'all, it is the next day. I am finally about to get my final tune. I'm able to full throttle now. So we about to see like what happens, man. We about to see what happens, bro. He doing his thing right now so I can beat the fuck out this car. Like, I'm gonna beat this bitch to the max. Just take a look at her.